There's always something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
Well, hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Far Point Restorations. Why am I showing you a video of the worst car ever sold in America? Well, because of what's behind it. You can see the old bus back there, and here we are, the Subaru that gave its life, right? I've got to slap the hood back on it, but it seems to be missing some pieces now. No more engine, all gone. Inside, and that'll be the next part. Actually, it'll be a series of tearing down an EJ25 and rebuilding that. Inside, just about gutted. Nothing left, no harnesses, or none of the needed harnesses. Computer's gone, steering column just dangling around in there. And lots of, it's kind of hard to see in there, lots of spare pieces inside the trunk there. They're garbage. And the old Kubota doing multiple duties today. We're doing, the Kubota was, pulled the engine, pulled the car out of the garage, pulled the new car into the garage, or is going to pull the new car into the garage. So anyway, not a very long video, but just wanted to show you the progress. We get good weather today. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, of course, so it won't be lasting for too long, but we're getting work done. Also cleaning out the garage, though. Anytime I get this deep into a project, things get messy. So before we push the bus back in, I've actually got a few customer cars I need to work on, and then it'll be back to this beauty. Right on. You can see we're still cleaning it up, getting the gaskets and lenses and such off of it, but projects are moving right along. Till next time, my friends, take care.